Ableton Live's Hybrid Reverb is a game-changing reverb tool that merges convolution and algorithmic processing, opening endless possibilities for sound design and mixing. Whether you want realistic acoustic spaces or experimental textures, Hybrid Reverb has you covered. Convolution reverb uses impulse responses, otherwise known as IRs, recorded from real-world spaces to recreate their unique acoustic characteristics. You can even drag in custom samples, turning anything, a vocal, snare, or environmental sound, into a custom reverb effect. This feature alone opens up a world of creative potential. The algorithmic engine complements this with synthetic reverb options like shimmer, tides, and quartz. These models allow you to tweak decay, modulation, and even pitch shifting for lush, evolving reverb tails or classic hardware-inspired sounds. You can route the two engines in parallel to blend their characteristics or in series to create layered, complex reverb effects. Hybrid Reverb also includes advanced features like pre-delay for rhythmic clarity, a freeze function to sustain reverb tails indefinitely, and an EQ section to shape the tone of your reverb. With its blend of authentic realism and creative flexibility, Hybrid Reverb excels in crafting lush ambiences, dynamic textures, or surreal soundscapes. Ready to elevate your productions with Hybrid Reverb? Comment Ableton below and we'll send you a link to our free Ableton Live tools and resources.